Welcome back everybody. This is my first update on the Hasegawa egg plane group build. I'm doing the Hasegawa egg shuttle. I began by doing the sub-assemblies and then painting the corresponding parts either Stynylrez white or Stynylrez black primer. This part here that goes inside the shuttle, there's no indication of what color it should be. It finally dawned on me that since it's inside the egg, it should be fairly obvious.
Look at me, I'm an astronaut.
For the astronaut figure, I decided to leave him in the raw plastic, just the white molded plastic. I painted some light gray Vallejo primer on his hand, on his mitts and his boots, and in some of just a little bit in the seams where the wrinkles and folds are in his suit. I did some light gray craft paint on these tubes and this box on his chest. I did some gold craft paint on the visor, and I did some darker gray Stynylrez primer just on the soles of his boots. So just to add a little bit of interest, so it's just not looking too plasticky. And I'll either spray or brush some matte finish over the whole thing, and then a little bit of future on the faceplate here, just so it's shiny or glossy, and the rest will be a matte finish. I've been saving this craft paint, and I thought this would be a good time to add some Charlie Mack green to the build. I also added some red and white to represent the Canadarm. It looks like when the astronaut was out taking a spacewalk that he stepped in something. Well, I've got all the pieces ready for assembly. They're all painted, and I guess it wouldn't be a Charlie Mack build without some kind of issue on the running into a problem building. Everything went well till I got to these doors here with the curved surface. I tried to paint them. I primed them on the other side with white and cleared it with future, and then I tried to paint them with silver craft paint, and that didn't work very well, so I washed it off. And I tried to paint it with a tin craft paint, and that didn't work very well. I washed that off. Then I got down into the primer again, so I had to strip them 2 or 3 times. So now I've done it with bare metal foil. Because of the curved surface, there's a few crinkles in it, but I think that's about the best it's going to get. So I spent enough time on that. Everything else has turned out really well so far. Now I just have to fit everything together, put the decals on, and clear everything. To replicate some heat staining on the engines, on the rocket engines, I put a little bit of the Aztec pearl purple and pearl metallic blue. Dry brushed a little bit over the end of the engines here. If you can see it, the light will pick it up. Just kind of blended them a little bit together to add a little bit of heat staining effect.